Can't even go anywhere. This this phone people from morning. No walking today. Cause if I walk, me not have no internet to come live. What am I doing this way? What's going on? It's a beautiful day. Oh, slash. But I'm not going to walk. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Welcome in. It's a sit down live today. It's a sit down live today. Ah, beautiful lawn. Well manicured. Mm, beautiful lawn, well manicured. I don't see any of my friend today, guys. None of my friend them. I don't know what in there. What the buggy there? The little buggy. The little buggy. The little buggy. Look at my friend, they migrate for the summer. They might come back for winter. Next buggy coming, guys. It's easy transportation on the grounds. Sweet. Yeah. Ooh, it's so nice. The wind is so nice. It feels so nice on my body. Guys, I can't go walk today because the phone service, cellular service is down. Or there's an outage, and I have to stay where the Wi-Fi is to bring you this live. Hi, Lola. Hi, honey. Hi, honey bunch. I was just saying to everybody, say it's a lazy live. I love that red. I love that red. I love the red. Okay. Yeah, Lola, I was just saying it's a, it's a lazy life today because the phone company cellular not working. There is an outage. And I don't know what caused it, from morning. Me say, From morning, from before I come out, the phone now work. I pay SOS. Me restart it till me tired. I restart the phone till me tired. And then one man said to go check the app. And me see the app with one notification. So they are aware of the outage and they're working hard to resolve it. From morning, mercy. This coming like last week when last week when the whole Microsoft system was down. No, so Lola, how you doing? What's going on today? She look nice. I like a dressy. She look nice. And Lola, what's going on? There's a bunch of students. I told you before we're having some film something here. So we have students from all over taking pictures, walking around, doing all sorts of stuff. Hear the train there too? Lola, me just hear the train. I just heard the train coming down and I'm not able to show you guys. I was without light and internet for 7 days after burial at Jamaica. Yeah, man. And me just not have internet for a couple hours and me I talk about it. The buggies. It never feels so bad. It never feels good, Lola. Or you just feel without the light and the internet. It's so long. For so long. Of course, we have to thank God for life. It could have been worse. It could have been otherwise, but He spared us. I'm sure you the student them. A whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of them. But God spared us another time. Another day. Tuesday to be exact. Almost the ending of July. One more day to go. Whose birthday it is? Who born July? Yeah, the light. Oh boy. You can imagine light going so long in them foreign house here in the summer. It would have been crazy. What you dog? No more dog rush for me. No more dog rush for me. No more. Yeah, you can imagine, guys. You can imagine. I just can't imagine. And it go away for a couple days. Ooh. Couple days and we are crazy. Hear the train? Hear the train there? The train is coming down. Hear the train there? I wonder if we can catch it. No, remember I said I can't catch it because if I go to the internet zone, I not have no live. But the train is going, I hear it. So with food coming in, with clothes coming in, and all the other stuff coming in on the train. Me see it, but me just say it must be a mistake. That's why I wanted to emphasize it said hot bad, hot. Jamaican patois, it hot. I saw it. Yeah. Yeah, but today not so hot. Sorry guys, today not so hot. It's 90 something, you know. What am I talking about? It's 90 something, but maybe because I'm sitting I'm not feeling it. But it's 90 something. And then me not have on a sweater or anything. We're just outside taking a good look of everything. hmm But persons are walking around sleeveless because it's really hot today. Hi. No, the student center is go down that, past the van and go around and the building in front of you. All right, you're welcome. Sorry, guys. Instructions. Somebody wanted some instruction. Oh, maybe she going to the film festival. Whew. Yeah, the bugs are all over. The buggy, 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 buggy. Those are a form of transportation on the grounds because it's a huge ground. So persons use that to travel, to go to classes, to carry stuff from one end to the next. The maintenance people them use it. Yeah. Several of them here. Think you have to book them, you have to rent them. Sorry guys. Me say, may I try? Not really. I don't know 3/4 of the place yet, but I know that part because that's not far from where I am. And I've been there to function. So I know that part there. And the library in front of me. I know that. Um, what else? And the gym down the road down so. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but there are several other places that I'm not sure. That I don't know yet. But little by little, working folks doing on. You see that one of my coworkers, she always have some question from the radio. Some radio program always ask some question in the morning. One of them was 92% of persons who work say this a lot. What is it? What is it, Lola? 92% of persons who work says this a lot. It's a sentence like it's a two word, but it completes a sentence. Cynthia tell me say working people doing yarn. See, there's a clue. Ah, correcto, correcto. See, you got it right at the first time, and uh, well, one of my coworkers got it first. Yeah, she said it, and it's true. As you start, as you come work a man and tell, Lord, I'm tired, man. Or throughout the day, jeez, I'm so tired. Yeah. So when you say working people don't yawn, me I say, Lola, that's our middle name. Mhm. Yeah. All when you don't want to sleep, yeah, yawn. Yep. But you're correct, you get it on the first go. That's nice. Congratulations. You have won yourself a prize. I think they give like they say like $100 or they give some something for it on the radio. But every morning she comes in, most mornings. If she forget one morning, she give us the two of them one time. We said me remember anymore. Like, of course, it's like it's just natural. It just come out of your mouth. I'm tired, you see? All when you're not tired, it just come out. All right, the next one is that 50% of, no, not 50%, like 70% of Americans buy this as a dessert. Of course, 60, 70% of Americans buy this as a dessert. And you maybe want to buy it on a Friday, whatever. What is it? What is it? 70% of American people buy this on a Friday. What is it? No, not ice cream. Mm-mm. Not ice cream. I think I got this one. Mm-mm. Try again. Try one more time. Come time soon up. You said dessert, yes. Yes. So yes, ice cream is one. What else? Ice cream is one. What else is dessert? What else you eat for dessert? Pizza, yes, no. Americans. Americans, what they love to eat. When you watch movie, you see them use it a lot in the movies. What is it, Lola? All when they not eat it, them do other things with it in the movies. What's it? One, two, three, I'm counting down. Four, me about America. It's a pie. It's a pie. It's a pie. It's a pie. Talk truth. It's a pie. It's a pie. Mm-hmm. Americans love to buy pies. Mm-hmm. Pizza pie, mama. Well, yeah, somebody had said that. Yeah, somebody had said that. Mm-hmm. Well, you win. You win. You win. You win, Lola. You win. You win. You win. So I got to go. This was a nice little rapport with Lola and I. Yes, it was nice. I must try this again when we have more people on the live. Yeah, some more quiz and riddles and quiz. Yeah, and entertain you guys. So thank you so much for coming on, Lola. Thank you guys when you watch this live. Remember to like, share, give it a thumbs up. If you're having a birthday, happy birthday. Can I get 2 pillowcases for me? Of course. If you're having an anniversary, happy anniversary. If you're mourning or having any other situation. Hi, Petra. Trish, you always a come when me a go out, eh? Oh, hi. Nice to have you here. Hi. So I'm going out because my lunchtime is up now. So nice to see you, Lola. Thank you for entertaining me, both of us. Yes, we did have a little fun time with the quiz. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, without any further ado, guys, bye. Take care. It's almost 1 and I have to walk inside. Go to my desk. I can't even do bathroom now. I'm going straight to my desk. That will be done after. Bye, guys. Take care. I'm out of here.